Hey, check it out, guys. We can't come to the Miami Boat Show without stopping in at Reef Runner. See, behind me here, they have a pair of their 34s. The first one with the triple 300 package. Performance has been awesome. The next one, I believe, is getting rigged up with a second steering station and a pair of 300s to run in the mid-50s. So the other boat that's here, if you haven't done it yet already, is the Center Council's only Reef Runner giveaway boat. If you'll recall, that's the boat that we did the incredible over-the-top Raymarine electronics package with the FLIR camera, the quantum radar, the pair of the 16-inch MFD displays, the macros lighting. It has the works. It's not too late. You guys can still enter to win this boat. Check it out. And maybe you didn't win and you're still looking at one. We do have, I think Twin Tails has a Reef Runner 23 with a Seakeeper and a 300R brand new on a trailer ready to rip. I'll leave it down below in the comments down there as far as where you can find Twin Tails yachts if you are interested in that. So there you go, guys. Reef Runner 23, Center Console's only giveaway. Check it out. And if you want to know more about a Reef Runner 34, looking for a bigger boat, let us know. Let's talk. Let's figure something out, guys. That's it. Peace.